Are you tired of spending hours studying, but still struggling to remember what you learned? What if I told you there's a way to master any subject faster using the power of AI? Let me introduce you to my ProMind, an AI-powered learning platform that's revolutionizing how students prepare for exams. ProMind adapts to your unique learning patterns. In fact, now we have a Chrome extension, which you can download from the Chrome extension store. On any web page, you can just copy the content and paste it to create your flashcards. This is like a full Notion seamless rich editor, which you can use to create flashcards. You can drag and drop the images directly into the editor as well. You have a commands to add multiple rich content blocks to your flashcard. You can also select the content and use ChatGPT for any additional help that you want to use. While you are on the ChatGPT, I can open the Chrome extension again and directly save the content to a flashcard. As I study, ProMind's AI analyzes my responses and confidence levels, building a personalized learning profile that's unique to my brain. The magic happens with smart timing technology. Instead of random repetition, ProMind presents information at my optimal learning moment when my brain is most receptive. This isn't guesswork, it's cognitive science in action. My learning speed increased by over 300%, and I'm saving 80% of my study time.